Hi guys, this is Ken back again with another tech video. This time to show a microphone sent by MCOPLUS. It's a lapel mic, a low-cost lapel mic, a budget mic for those who are starting like out in video and you want to improve your sound quality. This is a nice little option because it's cheap. And if you don't have like a big budget to buy like top-end microphones, this could be a little good option for you guys. So yeah, let's check this out, see if it's worth any while. Okay guys, so let's unbox the MCOPLUS microphone. Here on the left side of the box, you can see the details as well. And yeah, let's open the box and forget about those technical details that most of you don't really care about anyways. What matters is then the final sound quality. So you can see as we remove this from the box, we have this little pouch. Looks really nice. And we also have a manual. So you get the manual and you get this little pouch. So inside the pouch we have silica bag. We have some connectors here and the holder. So you get this little clip to hold the mic to your shirt. You get the microphone. So this is all metal and it's very, very similar to the one from Boya, and I can actually show you how similar it is. So you can see here, the one on my left hand is the Boya and the one on the right is the MCOPLUS. So they're very, very similar. You have the on-off switch just like you have on the Boya one. So you have the on-off switch right here, and to switch between camera and a smartphone. And in order to place your battery here, the LR44 battery, you would unscrew this. And right here in this little slot on the side, so here's where you place your battery inside. Then you have this little tab to pull it out. So that's basically it. You can see the mic here. Comes with this wind protector. There are no extra ones included. You just have this one, so don't lose this one, guys. And you can see the mic itself. You have this adapter. And you have the LR44 battery included. So let's set this up. I'm going to place the battery inside the microphone. And we're going to test this without the microphone and with the microphone connected to the smartphone for you guys to get an idea of the sound difference. So guys, I'm standing about 180 centimeters away from the camera. You can see I have the mic here, and this is what it sounds like with the microphone connected to the camera, just for you guys to get an idea. And I'm going to try it without the cable connected to the camera, so you can hear the sound without the microphone, guys, so you can see the difference. Okay, so now I have the cable disconnected, so I'm recording with the inbuilt microphone of the smartphone, just for you guys to get an idea of what this sounds like without the microphone connected. So I'm guessing there's a big difference in sound quality. You're going to hear a lot more echo without the microphone connected to the device. So you can get, right here you can see the difference in quality just by doing that. And that's the main advantage of the lapel mic. Okay, so now you can see what it sounds like with the mic connected again. You can see the cable's actually here. There is a kind of a disadvantage in wired lapel mics because you have this wire connected to the camera, which you can always trip over, and it can kind of get in your way. And the ideal situation would be wireless lapel mics, but they're much more expensive, so keep that in mind. But it works pretty well for doing some videos. If you're like an amateur, you're starting out in videos, you don't want to invest too much money. It's a nice little option, guys. I think it's pretty nice. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped to make your decision in whether to purchase this microphone or not. I think it's a really useful tool for you starting out in video, just like I said before. And it'll work with your laptop, your DSLR, your compact camera, your smartphone, your tablets. Any device that has an audio input that records video, you just plug this in and you start recording, guys. And it's a really helpful tool, like I said. It's a really, really useful tool. And I really do recommend it for the price that you're paying. I think it's, it's low cost, but it does its job pretty well, as you saw in the video. Yeah, it was just a really quick review, guys. So not to make this video too long, but I think you get the point of this. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And leave your comments in the comment section. And stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well, to get any of the latest updates and videos that I post on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. See you later. Thanks for watching.